5 super steps to a fresh start. Do you ever wish you could hit the reset button? If you're tired of the way things are and find yourself daydreaming all the time about a different you doing different things in a different place, it's time for a change. If you're aiming for a fresh start, you're going to need a little help. Why not try these 5 super steps to a fresh start as you embark on your new journey? Figure out the goal. What do you want? On the surface, this question seems pretty easy. For example, you might think your goal is to have more money. But when someone asks why, you respond if you had money, you wouldn't have to work so hard, and you'd have more time with your kids. Now you've discovered what you actually want: time with your family. Know your values. Now that you have some idea of what you're looking for, how are you going to get it? Knowing your core values will help to dictate those actions. So if honesty is a core value, robbing a bank to get money so you can spend time with your kids is out. Get organized. Congratulations, you have a solid direction in mind and even something of a plan. Now, having combined goals with values, it's time to prepare for action. This means cleaning out things from your life which no longer serve you. It also means working through emotions and old baggage so you can move forward without these things holding you back. Rewrite the script. What are you telling yourself? No matter how well prepared you seem, if you're still putting yourself down, calling yourself a failure, or bringing to mind a constant stream of negativity, you're doomed to fail. It's time to switch out the dialogue. Look for the positive spin on everything you say. Give yourself the benefit of the doubt and treat yourself the way you'd want to treat your best friend. In other words, if you wouldn't say it to them, why are you telling it to yourself? Embrace a thankful spirit. Last, cut yourself some slack. Be thankful for the lessons learned. Forgive yourself for the past, and move on to your fresh start. Then, to be doubly sure the past doesn't sink into your fresh start with you, extend some of this grace to others. Be thankful for what people have given you along the way. Extend forgiveness to those in your life who have wronged you, and move on without baggage to hold you back. With these 5 tips, you'll be prepped and ready for your fresh start in no time at all.